Hello everyone, it's Brett Gurney with brettgurney.com, and today I'm going to do one of my blog post supporting videos. It's been a little while, but what I like to do here is go back on my blog and read a post that I've written, and in this particular case it is a post that I wrote back in September of 2014. But that's the good thing about writing evergreen content is that there's no deadlines on it. It doesn't get outdated. Well, not usually. Sometimes it does because of technology advancing and stuff like that. But this particular post is still relevant. Okay, and the title of it is the number one best blogging tip I can give you is to just begin, and it's true. And it just, I've been blogging now for what, 4 years, going on 5 years, and this advice, this content, these suggestions, these tips are still relevant, because it's just basic stuff, and it's if anybody wants to get, start writing and get some content out on the internet, these are the things that they need to do. So I'm just going to read the post, and talk about it a little bit, which is what I do. Again, I wrote the post back in 2014. Let's see. I'll help with this process if you follow along. But to just begin is what will break down the barriers, and it's true. If a person just gets started, what seems to be like a just huge, gigantic task, this, oh no, where am I going to begin? How am I going to start? What am I going to write? That stuff just kind of goes away once you get going. So once started, the rest will come easily enough. I just said that. Start blogging. Okay, get some videos out. Get more comfortable in front of the camera, something that I'm still not, but I keep trying. And start with your journey. And it is a journey. One of my biggest roadblocks was the nagging thoughts of what I would blog about, what I would talk about, and when and how I was going to get started. But like I said, as you get going, that stuff all comes to you. One thing leads to the next. And once you get something going and you find the topics that you like to talk about and you start learning more about them, then you know what to video about, you know what to blog about, you know what to post about. Uh, and it says here, but when I got started, it opened the floodgates and the thoughts and ideas came to me. I'm sure it will be similar for you. And now I find today that I will never run out of material or things to say and talk about. And that's another good thing about blogging, because like I do, you can go back, to your content and repackage it, which is exactly what I'm doing right now with content that I wrote 4 years ago. Here's another blogging tip. Find yourself a good mentor and or online training course, get the training, absorb the training, then blog and video about it. I've been talking about this for a long time. One of the thing that you want to do is provide value, provide quality content into the marketplace. And one of the best ways to do that is to become self-taught. And then when you learn something, share what you learn. Talk about it. Blog about it. The writing and videos help to process the information so it sticks, and you will learn and remember better and faster. And it's true. When you teach what you learn, you retain it more, you learn it better. It doesn't matter the exact subject or topic. Anything that interests you and that you want to share with others is fine. Okay, it might interest someone, it might not. A lot of this is for me, my own benefit. Okay, if you want to attract people with an interest in home business, for example, network marketing, blogging, video marketing, content marketing, or anything similar, then start learning those topics so you can teach what you learn. I keep saying that. It's still true. Start giving your own blogging tips. The education you share can become a product on its own. one that you can use to generate leads and create an income with. And a lot of people will actually make um, courses out of this kind of content, and either provide it free or sell it, or provide a membership website where people can come. Like if someone is building a network marketing team with a company, and then providing that kind of training for those members, and have a password protected membership site or something like that. Okay, people are attracted to those who are providing good content that will help them solve a problem. This will establish you as a leader and as someone they will want to follow and continue learning from. Information is in high demand, and if you provide it, people will want to partner with you, and that's true. And they'll want to work with you. So they will come to you instead of you chasing them. You just put out, create the content, put out the content, distribute the content, and after a while, if you do that and you're consistent with that, people will find you. This is the attraction marketing concept. Okay, and it does work. Okay, anyone can do this. There is no experience required. When I started, I knew nothing about blogging or video. I'm completely self-taught. I learned by doing it, and at first it was ugly. A lot of it's still ugly. That's another thing that I like to teach people. Um, Perfection is the killer of progress. A person is better off just getting started and just doing it. Just do the thing, okay? And you'll get better. And it doesn't matter what it looks like or what it sounds like at first. If somebody doesn't like it, they don't have to look at it. But it's helping you, okay? Just get the content out there and don't worry about it being perfect. It's not going to be perfect. It's never going to be perfect, right? It's never going to be perfect. I was totally green and didn't know where to start or what to do, but I started reading, following the instructions, and going trial and error, the slow, long, hard way, figuring it out on my own. It was a process and a learning curve. Yeah, okay. So now we invite you to follow along the journey. Okay, here we go. Get your domain name. This is for those who want to get started now. Get your domain name, your hosting account, set up a WordPress. It's all simple stuff. If you don't know how to do it, ask me, okay? With a good theme, and start writing. Just start writing and posting and publishing, okay? Getting a blog established on the internet has many other benefits as well, including name branding and recognition, lead generation, and minimal capital outlay, okay? So if you want to start establishing yourself as a leader, just start providing, get into the realm of content marketing, start creating, providing, publishing quality content, which is simply something that might help someone, and stay consistent with it. What else do we have here? If you want to start establishing yourself as a leader and practicing the attraction marketing methods, which is the fastest track to success, then get started with these activities. I hope my blogging tips can help you get started. And that's kind of it for the blog post. I've got a video on here. So there you have it, folks. My blogging tip, my number one blogging tip back then and is still today, is to just get started. Okay, there's no right or wrong way. It's your story. It's your writing. It's your topic. Okay, it's your interest. You're the creator. Okay, all you need to do is purchase a domain name, purchase a hosting account, and set up your WordPress within your hosting account, which if you get any modern hosting account that's WordPress friendly, that's a point and a click, bang, bang, you're done. Like I say, ask me if you don't know how. I'm happy to help. So thanks for watching my video, and we will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.